Ford reportedly bought a Tesla Cybertruck for $250,000. It appears as though Ford has purchased a Tesla Cybertruck for benchmarking and perhaps teardown purposes. Ford reportedly paid $250,000 for the truck, a price that Elon Musk says was worth it. It seems automakers are eager to acquire and benchmark the Tesla Cybertruck. Just this week, both Ford and a Porsche dealer acquired a Tesla Cybertruck for around $250,000, presumably for benchmarking and perhaps teardown purposes. Sawyer Merritt revealed this reported purchase on X, stating, "Ford just paid $250,000 for a Cybertruck in the aftermarket and is testing it at its proving grounds near Detroit." The price Ford paid was similar to what a Porsche dealership dished out earlier this week to purchase a Cybertruck at auction. The dealer reportedly paid $244,000 to acquire the Cybertruck. Rumors suggest it was Porsche who actually bought it but had the dealership make the purchase to perhaps hide the automaker's intent. Musk commented on Porsche acquiring a Cybertruck too, saying that the automaker needs to up its electric vehicle game to match its combustion skills. And noting that when they take it apart, Porsche will discover a lot of new technology. The new technologies are mainly the Cybertruck's 48-volt system and steer-by-wire, both of which are not entirely new but not often seen in the industry. The Tesla Cybertruck's no resale clause apparently has not prevented the reselling of Cybertrucks. It's suggested that the workaround here is to pay Tesla $50,000 to sell the truck, but the clause seems to imply that you may owe Tesla more than that. And here's the clause in its entirety. If you own a Cybertruck, would you be willing to sell it for $250,000? If not, how high would the offer have to go for you to part ways with your Cybertruck? Source: reposted and summarized from Eric Loveday at insideevs.